how to delete your account in MuStar. So hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to delete your account in MuStar. Delete your account in MuStar. All you need to do is open up your MuStar right here. So once you open up your MuStar right here, next thing you need to do is once you open up your MuStar is what do you call this? Click on your profile in the bottom right corner right there, as you can see right there, next to games right there. Press on that. There you go. So once you're here right now, next step you need to do to delete your account here at MuStar is go to your settings. After here to settings, you will see right here, just scroll down a bit. There you go. And as you see right here, you will see what they call this. There you go, delete account. Then all you need to do is press on the delete account. There you go. Are you sure you want to delete this account? This action cannot be undone. So once you click on the delete account, you won't be able to like have like a few 7 days, 14 days, or maybe 30 days. It will be automatically deleted and you cannot undo it. So now we're just gonna click on delete account right there. So now, there you go. There you go. Once you click on delete account, account deleted. So now our account has been deleted right here. So there, as you see right now, we have now deleted our account. So once we, what do you call this? Once we go back right here, click on OK, and we go back, log out successfully. We have been logged out, and as you see right now, we don't have an account right here, or sign in or anything. So yeah, there you go, guys. So there you go. So I hope you guys like the video, because you enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can type it in the question below, guys. I'll answer as soon as possible in here on how to rock it, guys. So there you guys, as you see, no account. There you guys, and thank you guys.